But you can see this is like quite an amazing result for image to video. The moment of the board, the leaves, everything is spot on. I think Clink did a very good job with this image. So my video is ready. Let's hit play. It's quite interesting. So escalators are here, and it's some kind of winding machine. It's not exactly what I was imagining. I think I was more imagining this wanding machines like from films. This doesn't necessarily look like what I imagined. Hey. And we have one strange physicality issue here. As you can see, wanding machine is right in front of the escalator. Which is like very strange. But is it a landing machine next to escalators? Yes, somehow it is. It definitely not perfect. And another thing I lacked a lot is it is actually a low-angle shot. You can see it was quite loyal to my creative vision, so I'm really happy about that. I would like to try another prompt. Let's try this one. The cinematic crane shot of a music hall. A classical music concert. I think this time I would like to increase relevant a little bit more. I will keep the aspect ratio same, and I will not add any camera movement because I already mentioned crane shot. So let's see how this will impact the final result when we don't mesh the camera controls. And I have saved negative prompts. Let's hit generate. So our video is ready, and I'm quite impressed with the video. You can definitely find maybe some errors like here. There are some anomalies and issue, but it definitely gives this crane shot wipe that I was really looking forward. It's a concert hall with a classical music. So prompt understanding was quite impressive. My main issue is the subject here, or let's say the musicians. They look weird. We have some musical instruments. It's really nice. But yeah, I was maybe more expecting like a full orchestrate, and maybe I could write that down to my prompt as well. Actually, as a last thing, I want to show you image to video. And for this model to work, you need a reference image. You can generate reference image with Clink, or you can use Midjourney or any other tool. And I want to actually upload this image that I created with Midjourney. It's an elvish warrior. Let's upload this. My upload is done. So I will add a prompt. Cinematic Elvis warrior is holding a dagger, and I will keep this in the middle. And we are not allowed to make camera movement with image to video yet. So it's disabled for this mode, and negative prompts are also here. And maybe this time let's add a little bit more creativity and see what happens. Let's hit generate so our video is ready. So on the face, I think it looks quite good. But we have some strange anatomical issues happening here. It just feels like Hand and Decker when it comes to when creativity is a little higher. The moment with Hand and Decker is a little bit off here. But the camera movement is nice, and the face movement, the eyes look quite good, but still it's not perfect. So I want to also try without a prompt and with creativity, relevance setting in between. And I would like to see also then what happens actually result got improved. Once I remove the prompt and bring the creativity relevance setting to 2 more middles, I can see it definitely improved. It's just in the end there is this strange look opening mark thing. It almost feels like she will say something at the end that's a bit strange. But yeah, I think this looks much better now. I would say it's still a tight race between Luma and Kling. Luma is also very successful. But I can say this suppresses Luma a bit at this stage for text video. Though I still think Runway Gentry is much better, and Clink has still a lot of room for improvement. And I'm happy that actually some workflow improvements are on the way like this. Upscale, as you can see, that will already upscale your videos. And of course I'm guessing that this is going to be paid. Also, video editor is on the way, which is great. I think many people are using CapCut or other video editing tools too to cut their videos. It would be really amazing if we can already edit some of the clips we generated via CL here. So when it comes to AI video, Clink has become an AI that excites me the most. Together with Runway Gen Entry, there are already people making short films with it. Hopefully those video was truly helpful for you to explore clean AI. If you felt a spark of inspiration, show your support with a thumbs up and join me by subscribing for more mind-blowing tutorials. See you next time. Thank you for watching us.